Another thing that I want to mention is that even though I sell luxury real estate, I think that no matter what price point and no matter where you are in life, you can still have that luxury experience. And a part of having that luxury experience is this candle. You have a moment, it's Friday night, you want to relax, you've worked the entire week, you want to have a glass of wine, you want to sit down, you want to just completely unwind and let go of the week because it's a nice Aloha Friday. And then you go ahead and you light Thompson Ferrier's candle. And then it takes over your entire room and it activates all of your senses. And it lasts for such a long time. It is such an incredible investment. I guarantee you that it will change the way that you feel, and more importantly, it's gonna make you feel like you're in that luxurious space, and that's what you want.